Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. For today's video, we're going to talk about gifts. Not for me, but this is something na binili namin for my mom, my mother-in-law, and my sister. When we think about gifts, we always wait for birthdays, anniversaries, some kind of occasion before we buy gifts for the people we love. But today, there isn't any occasion. We simply bought these gifts just because we can. And I think one of the sweetest things about growing older is having to realize that love doesn't always have to be celebrated on special dates. Itong gifts na to, very random lang. And like I always tell my family, if God will bless us and He will put us in a position na magiging able na kami makapag-share ng blessings, then there will be no doubt na palagi kaming mag-share all this, all expense paid trips, gifts, na walang kaba na naku, may panggastos pa ba ako bukas? Naku, baka ma-short ako. Yun yung palagi kong promise sa kanila. That's why whenever my mom asked me, anong gusto mong gift? Like recent lang nag-birthday ako and she was asking me, anong gusto mong gift, anak? So I just told her, pray for me na mas i-bless pa ako ni Lord para ma-bless ko rin sila. So going back dun sa gifts, so yun, very random, nag-uusap kami, naka-video call kami ng mom ko, ng sisters ko, and then nag-uusap lang kami about kamustahan. Na-brought up yung watch ng mom ko. Bago pa kami mag-travel, humihiling na yung mother ko. Sabi niya, gusto daw niya ng Apple Watch. Biglang binanggit niya sa akin na, nagagandahan talaga ako dun sa Apple Watch. Medyo late na rin kasi yung model ng phone ng mother ko. I think it's iPhone XR. Say, bilan ko siya ngayon ng Apple Watch. Pero yung phone niya is, yun pa din. Hindi rin sila makakapag-connect since hindi match yung iOS nila. So, kailangan din pala ng phone. And nung sinabi ko sa kanya, sige, bibilan kita ng Apple Watch. Sabi ko, flash ko dito yung itsura niya. Ito, dito ko ilalagay. So, ito yung itsura niya. Sobrang excited niya. Ang saya-saya niya. Inaantok pa siya nung kausap niya kami. Pero nung sinabi ko yun, nagising ang person. So, ito na siya guys. Ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. So, hindi siya brand new guys. But, good condition and nasa 100% pa yung battery niya, which is our main concern. So, it's a steal pa rin. And then, since senior citizen na kasi yung mother ko, no? Both mothers namin, senior citizen na. So, binilan din namin sila ng pero yung kinakabit lang. Kasi, kung bibilan naman namin sila ng kagaya nito, AirPods, madali kasi siyang mawala and kailangan pa siyang i-charge. At least ito, no hassle. Then, tchanan! Ito na yung Apple Watch. I want my mom to unbox this Apple Watch. Kasi sobrang tagal na niyang gusto to guys. And this is for my sister. Naka-Samsung na kasi ngayon yung sister ko. Sabi niya gusto daw niyang magpaka-healthy at match-check daw niya yung mga health something, ewan ko kung ano kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit nito. Ang tagal ko nang naka-iPhone pero hindi ako nagkaroon ng urge para bumili ng Apple Watch. I don't know why. Siguro kasi hindi naman ako sobrang active na person. That's one. And yung mga outfit na sinusuot ko, feeling ko hindi siya ganun kabagay. Anyway, ayun. Super happy lang. Gusto ko lang i-document tong moment na to na ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakakapag-give back kami somehow sa family namin. Though, hindi naman siya ganun kalaking bagay. But, it's still something. And looking back, sobrang layo na nito dun sa position namin before. If I'm gonna face my old self, sobrang magiging proud siya for sure. Mali na lumabas ngayon. On the way na kami sa Dubai and meron kaming nahanap na nagpapasabay. Mas affordable to kaysa dun sa DHL na aside sa delivery charge, meron pang i-charge na custom charge pagdating sa Philippines. Ang flight nung nahanap namin is July 15. So by July 16, nandun na siya. And marireceive na nila Vicky yung gift. We're now here in last exit. It's now and may pasok pa ako bukas.
Ayan. Galaxy Watch 7. Wait lang, parang naihi ako sa kilig. Cellphone ko. Ay! Yung ginagamit pala kang video.
Hinanap po yung cellphone.
Ano ba to? Thank you so much, sis! Ayan, so mamaya magpupuyat na ako. Si Mami, bibidyohan ko pagka uwi ko. Bye, guys!